Good morning. It's a well done. Well done, 20 to 29 pounds of lechon. Okay, it's well done. There you go. So well done, 20 to 29 pounds. Well done, 20 to 29 pounds, my matey. There you go. Well done. Okay, it's ready. Pick it up. Pick it up. Ito ang ating lechon. Yan, ibibiyahe pa kasi ito kaya, pero binigyan ko na yung ano, para hindi siya maano yung crispiness niya. Ay mang tumas na rin siya. This cart, nakakatulong sa akin to. Kasi kaya tayo, hindi mahirapan. Pinalitan ko lang ng gulong to para mas matibay. Solid yan. Hindi siya sisira. Best tayo dyan. Nang tumas, binarot ko rin. Yan. Lapit na ating clay.
So how many pounds is it?
It's 20 to 29 pounds.
Oh, 29. Oh, wow.
20 to 29.
Oh, okay. So you make every day?
Every day.
Oh, okay. So how much this one?
Yeah, I forgot. I did this egg test.
Oh no. I mean I just want to know for
Something
me.
like, I think it's 295 something.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I'm not sure, but you can get my number if you want.
No, I get your number.
Ah, okay.
Right? You text me so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Okay, this one. So that's the sauce. Two sauce.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're gonna go to Corona?
So how long? How far? Oh no.
And she wants it like well done.
Oh.
Because I think the last time they said somebody ordered like.
I know. I went there. It's like not crispy. Like oh my gosh. Oh.
Ang sabi nila ay may typhoon ang darating. Kaya bili tayo ng konting pagkain sa ano. Stock up tayo sa Costco. So maaliwalas ang panahon ngayon. Baka bukas darating yung bagyo. Hurricane Hillary. Okay, so tara sa Costco. Time check. Time check 2:42 Saturday, August 19. Tara, let's Costco. At bibili tayo ng stock. Yung mahangin na. Tinanggal ko na yung ano. Tinanggal ko na yung canopy ko, baka lumipad eh. Tinanggal ko yung bubong niya. Tapos baka sakaling ano, yung frame niiwan ko mailipad okay. Bukas pa darating ang bagyo. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalakas yung Hurricane Hillary. Tara sa Costco. Kahit yung mga gas nag-ano na yata sila, na-anticipate yung parating na hurricane. Daming nangyayari na. So yung gas ang dami. Yung kanina magpapagas doon yung dinaanan namin. So lahat ng mga bata kailangan magpagas na ngayon.
Cookies. I'm an egg guy. I love my eggs in the morning. That's a perfect. Oh, you can find these retail. Well, you know.
Especially if you have like an animal that like has like German shepherds have
Right.
hip dysplasia. If you give it to them when they're younger, it makes a big difference. Or any dog that has that issue. It works.
All right, thank you. Waiting for chick.
It's about 15 minutes.
50 minutes? Mura lang po sa akin. Isda.
Kasi if walang ano, can you do? There's no power. Ito nga nito lang ng bigat.
Everything together?
Yeah.
Same with that one? You like a boxer?
Oh. $400. 54. Grabe. Daming tao. Ay, ay, ay. Kasi baka mawalan daw din ng power eh. Yan ang ating Costco. Alright. Abush. Ano natin itong ano. Red tilapia. Ano rin yung pechay. At marunggay. Ito. Patis. Ay, para sa sinigang. Gusto ko ito. Lapit ng bagyo, darating na. Ang bagyo ay parating na. Dito na ako managdanalbos. Malaki oh. Parating na ang ating bagyo bukas. Siguradong malakas. Kasi parang 3 years daw yata na naiipon yan eh. So katumbas ay 3 years na storm na naipon. So bukas yun, mga hapon. So ingat tayo. Ito gusto ko yung batang barangay. Healthy oh. Okay, yan, okay na yan. Mixing natin. Sarap. Sawan, roong. Tingnan na to. Kain na. Kain.